Hi and welcome back. My name's Reb and today I'm bringing you along on my art date. I decided to break from the regular Thursday programming and sign up for an in-person workshop. More on that later. I took myself over to the art museum to get a little bit of inspiration. I think that a lot of us are familiar with some of the bigger names like Matisse, but I wanted to see some of the less known artists in the movement. I was a little bit too shy to film while I was looking and sketching, but I will show you some of my favorites. I really love this one. Her expression is just so intense and mischievous, and I just couldn't resist doing a little sketch. Another one that caught my eye was this one. I think that the artist really captured the atmosphere with like the bold brushstrokes and the moody colors. And then the last one that I did a little sketch of was this one. It really just fascinated me the way that the artist was able to convey so much energy in the looseness and chaos of the lines. It was really a informative and inspirational visit. For the next part of the art date, I joined a small group of people at the painter's house. They offered two workshops. I opted for the intuitive arts workshop that was co-hosted by my lovely friend Naheda. They provided all of the materials and supplies and references, and we painted away while my friend spoke a little bit about the Fauvism movement and some of the artists in that period. I don't think that I was able to get as loose as I would have liked. That takes years of practice, but I'm really happy with how my piece turned out. I think that the colors are fun and bold, and overall, it was just a great time. So if you are in the Houston area, I highly suggest checking them out. I will put a link in the description box below. That's the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed coming along on this artist date, and I will catch you guys on the next one.